something a little bit different today. Haven't been out in the field in a really long time, but my brother-in-law Craig here, he's running the combine today, and I don't have anything else to do, so I'm gonna ride along with him for a little bit. So we're about to hit a row right now. There we go. Neighbors over there doing the same thing. Gotta get that grain in before the weather hits. So I'm back at you guys with a little bit more live action. Today I'm out in the field again, and I'm running the auger cart for the combine. We're going to try to do a little on the move offloading of the combine. I've never done this before, or at least not on the move, so we'll see how it goes. Steering with my ETD hook. With the power steering of this tractor, it's working out pretty darn well. So, wish me luck. I'll try to get video when I can, but I really gotta pay attention to what I'm doing so we don't end up with a whole bunch of corn on the ground. There's the combine. He's probably going to be ready to offload. I gotta say, I'm pretty proud of myself. I just departed from the combine. You guys can't see him over there, but I just did my first successful on-the-go offload of that combine, so I'm super stoked about that. We didn't lose a single grain of corn, man. That was a rush. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see him in the mirror back there. We're coming back around for another pass. We're really going to speed this operation up. It's just me and him out in the field today. I don't think I'm going to be able to get any video of that for you guys, because that's a lot to pay attention to for somebody who is kind of new to it. But I'll keep you guys updated here in a little bit. We'll go over to the semi and offload there, and I'll get some more video for you at that point. So stick around, it's just getting started. Alright, we'll see if he wants me to unload him. There's my sign, boys and girls. Alright, I'm up here at the truck. As you can see, I got a full grain cart now. Getting ready to dump it off in here. After this truckload, I'll go follow them around and we'll finish up the rest of this field, and then we should be done. For those of you that don't know, my neighbor has a small farm, and a few years ago her husband passed away. This was a man that I looked up to and I respected greatly, and it just so happens that his grandson is my brother-in-law. So I've grew up around this family. We're intertwined pretty deeply, especially since one of them's married to my sister. But it just so happened I knew that they were doing some farming yesterday and today, and I decided that I wanted to come out and help. I had the time, and today I get out here and Craig's dad, Brian, is out in the field by himself trying to finish things up. So I pulled in the field and he saw my truck, gave me a call and was like, "Hey, is that you out there in the field?" I said, "Yes, it is." And he said, "Well, why don't you hop in that grain cart and we'll do some on-the-go offloading." So I said, "Don't tempt me with a good time." So here we are today. I'm helping them finish up Harvest 2020, and I could not feel any better about it. I mean, hell yeah, brother. We're out here doing work. So that's a little backstory on that, but we'll get this cart offloaded and then get some more live action for you. That's about all of it on this load anyway. Okay, so we got the auger cart and the combine offloaded into the semi. We'll take that in town tomorrow. But now we've just got a few more passes left. Probably fill up the auger cart and the combine one more time, and we should be good to go. Here comes Brian again on his first pass off the truck. He went ahead and brought the combine up and offloaded it into the semi while I was up there. And then if you look over here, you can see we don't have too many more passes left. So we'll be done here pretty soon. I'm gonna jump off the video real quick because I don't know if he's gonna need me on this pass or halfway through the next one, so we'll find out. He should be good, I think. He should be good for a down and back, but I'm not sure. Alright, so it looks like he's going to go ahead and make another pass. When he gets back down here again, he'll be pretty full, so I'll need to alleviate his hop. So there he goes again. And here I sit and wait, happy as can be. I am loving life right now, guys. This has been a lot of fun, and I'm really glad that I got the opportunity to come out here and help. Like I said earlier, I grew up around the farm. You know, it's not a huge farm. It's a small family farm, and I used to ride with my neighbor and the combine and the tractor when he was still with us. So to be operating his equipment as a grown man now, it's something different, guys. It's hard to explain, but we're going to get Harvest 2020 wrapped up. I'll shoot a few more clips for you guys, and that'll be about it for us. There you go, folks. I was actually able to get you some video. I was steering with my ETD hook. I had to set the phone down and adjust my throttle a little bit, get my speed matched up a little bit better, but I got you some footage of me actually rolling out and offloading that combine at the same time. I'm pretty excited. I'm really getting the hang of this quick. I gotta be honest with you guys, on that last drop, I'm headed up to the semi right now, but on that last drop I almost screwed up and hit the combine. That would have been really bad, but what I was doing was lining my tire up just on the outside of this row right here, and that was keeping about the perfect spacing from the combine. I don't know what happened, but somehow or another the combine ended up getting really close to me. I don't think I drifted the tractor over, but I avoided the collision. I finished the drop and we're headed back up to the semi now. I'm jamming out. I'm having a good time. Got the radio on. Loving life. Crisis averted.
After talking with Brian, I found out what happened. He was at the edge of the field and had to move the combine over so he wouldn't run a bunch of grass through the corn head. I couldn't see where he was at because of the corn rows that were still standing, but fortunately he was paying attention and he kind of predicted what was about to happen. So he stopped the combine and let me go by.
Gonna finish up filling up this semi and then we're gonna get on out of here. This field is closed. Harvest 2020 done and over with. Well, the combine didn't completely fill the truck up, so we had to take a little bit off the grain cart, and I think we're going to give her just a little bit more before we consider this truck loaded. Alright everybody, I think that's going to finish off our filming for this episode. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like I usually say in the beginning of these videos, but I wasn't really planning on turning this into a YouTube video. Just because you're an amputee doesn't mean you have to stop living your life. I've never done this before, or I guess I've never done this while driving alongside the combine. I've never offloaded while driving beside the combine. So remember that. You can do anything you set your mind to, and this goes for anybody, not just amputees. But I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.